Hello guys, I don't know why we all are still confused about this, and I hope we do see this. This is my back office. I've got my one referral, and that one referral actually opened my auto pools, my auto pool 2 to 7. Now all these pools are available for me to buy, but I've only purchased auto pool 2 and auto pool 3. You understand? So when you purchase your auto pool, anyone you purchase, if you want to know where you are in the queue and the things like that, you go to the menu, and then you go to auto pools. Once you get to auto pools, this is it here. I want you to take notice of this. It says here that auto pool 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This auto pool 1, as you see, there is no total slots there, and there is nothing like your first slot, because everybody that is on the system is naturally, as in is automatically, in auto pool 1. But then you only get to be in auto pool 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 if you have purchased it. Now I have purchased auto pool 2 like I showed you before. That's why I have my first slot here. I've purchased auto pool 3 like I said before. That's why I have my first slot here. I haven't purchased auto pool 4 to 7. That's why I don't have any slots. That's why it's saying 0 everywhere. You understand? So now the thing is, I've purchased my auto pool 2. Auto pool from 2 to 7 actually works on timestamp. It works on timestamp. If you come in first, you get served first. It works on a first come first serve. You understand? So now it says here that autopool 2 entry fee is 0.2. I paid 0.2 to get on autopool 2. This side that says total user slash active slots is the total number of users that is inside the autopool 2. Unlike autopool 1 that says 7,846, that is like the total number of active users in XOXO network that is in autopool 1, because if you join XOXO network, you get in autopool 1 automatically. So now once you purchase your autopool 2 to 7, you get your first slot. Now your first slot that you see there is the queue, is the number that you have on the queue, and here it says that you are number 1500 and 1758. That is your position in the queue. You should also like think about this, that there is somebody who has number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. I am going to have to wait till it gets to my turn, and my turn, my number, my ID number is, my slot number inside the autopool 2 is 1558. So I will have to wait till it gets to my turn. Now how do I know if it's my turn yet or not? Let me just tackle this autopool 3 too. This autopool 3 now, I purchased it with 0.3. There is the total users inside it is 690 people. 690 people are the people inside autopool 3. Now when I purchased the autopool 3, my number on the queue is 1041. 1041. Let's just say it like this. See that your first slot, that number on the queue that I'm talking about, is just like, let's say, having to go to somewhere. Maybe you want to go buy something in a store, and you get to that place where you want to check out. Everybody has to queue. Everybody has to arrange on a queue. Like if you get there first, that's when they serve you first. They attend to you based on the time that you get there, because you get to join a queue. So now everybody in the system has to join a queue. Now your number, on my own number on the queue for autopool 2 to get paid is 1758. My number on the queue to get paid in autopool 3 is 1041. You see that? So now in order for you to know the time that you get paid, now what you want to do is you click on autopool 2 right on this side that says pool name. That is where you know. So you click on that, it will open a page for you. Let's hope this loads fast. Now it's loading. Now it's retrieving information. Now you see that I will have to reload this page again. So let's just take this for example. You see over there now, the person who just got paid last was 1312. 1312. That means it's not too far again before it gets to my turn. Let me try and reload the page. Maybe I will see all other people lined up again. I think I should see that now. Reload, not showing enough thing that I want to see. Reload again. Reload. Reload. See now, while I was reloading, they've paid the 1,315th person again. It should actually show you a list of where you get paid. It should show you a list of everybody that is on the queue. You see those people that wants to be paid, and you see everything like that. You understand? Okay, that's it. That is it. Just take a look at that. You see that? They paid all the way from that 1012 again, just that instantly. 1012 that I said to 1015. Now they've paid up to 1330 now. Now all these other ones that are pending down here, their transactions are actually pending to pay this 1030. This 1330 is the person that is currently being paid at the moment. You just be patient. I am patient too. My ID in this autopool too is 1758, and once it gets to my turn, I will surely get paid. Once you see your slot ID, you will surely get paid. That is the thing. You just need to be very patient. This is the same thing in autopool 2 and autopool 3. Now it's currently listing, I think, just 100 transactions from 1310 to 1380. I think that is about 70 people. So as long as people get paid, these old people that are being paid, they will go off this list. Some other numbers that is higher than this 1380 will get populated onto the list. You understand? So we just have to be very patient. You are in the system already. You will surely get paid. You will surely get paid. Now this is for my autopool 2. I've seen that I have to wait just a little longer because the next person in line that is being paid now is 1330, and it's not too long for me to wait anymore till they get to my 1758. It's not too long anymore. So that's for autopool 2. And for autopool 3, if you want to check autopool 3, you do exactly the same thing. Like I said, now in autopool 3, my ID, my slots in autopool 3 is actually 1041. So I just click on autopool 3. Now it's going to retrieve all the information I need. It's not really loading, and the reason for this is because I'm currently using the MetaMask Android app. I'm risking this because the app is not stable yet. It's not working very well yet. So that's it. Now look at this. Now I told you that my ID in autopool 3 is 1041. Now the person that got paid last is 676. This person got to the system way longer before myself, so I need to be patient till it gets to my turn. I need to be patient. Let me reload the page again to see, maybe it can show me list of active users, as in list of the person who is currently being paid and the other people that are below them. Now I think, see, they've paid up to 6,676 again. We all just need to be patient, that's all. If this page isn't showing anything on your side, just please reload it. Now look at this, just look at that. Now they've paid all the way down to 691. Now 692 is currently being paid as we speak. Now all these other transactions from 693 up until 742 is currently pending. if they continue, if their transaction gets confirmed, 692 will get paid, 693 will get paid, everybody will get paid all the way down till it gets to 1000, and from 1000 it will get to my 1041. That happens to be my slot ID here. And do not worry, everybody that gets paid as it is, see all these people that have already been paid in this green, everybody as they get paid, they automatically also go down the system to come and repay everybody whose transaction is currently pending at the moment, because the transaction will stop pending as they pay. You understand? So if all these people pay now, they will go down the queue again. They will get a different slot ID. They will get a different slot ID again that is obviously bigger than the one that they have now. They will get a different slot ID. They will go down the queue to pay everybody up top. So that's how it is. We just need to be patient. Now, I shouldn't actually be expecting anything. Now, I shouldn't be expecting anything from autopool 4, autopool 5, autopool 6, and autopool 7. Why? Because I did not buy the pool. That is the reason why I do not have a slot. As you see that my autopool 4 to 7 is saying 0 in my slot. You understand? So that's how it is. We all just need to be very patient. This whole thing works big time. And as you see here, this part that says active addresses, that is the address of the person who is currently being paid. If you quickly like take a look at that auto pool again, and you see everybody with their slot ID, there, you'd see that as they get their slot, everybody's ID, everybody's wallet address is right in front of them. Look at this person now, this 677. This is the person's wallet ID in front of the person. If you want to confirm whether that person has been paid, you can as well just click on the person's ID, on the person's address. You can click on the person's address and then go to Etherscan to confirm if that person got paid or not. Incoming transaction. Now look at it here. This is it here. This is it over here. This is where the person got paid. This is the area where the person got paid. Now if you click on this, it says from this contract. Now if you click on the contract, I am pretty sure that the contract now is XOXO. You see that the contract is XOXO. This thing works. This is XOXO that just paid somebody. You saw from that back end that I showed you that XOXO had paid that person, and this is XOXO account. This is XOXO smart contract. You see the balance is 0, the ether value is 0. XOXO doesn't keep your money. XOXO takes money and pays. This is XOXO. After clicking on the person, after clicking to check who paid that person purchased autopool 3, and autopool 3 naturally gives you back 0.15 out of the whole thing that you get. XOXO actually gives you 0.15 and takes the rest, then help you reinvest in order to get other people paid. So this is where the stuff came in 2 hours ago from this smart contract to the pressing, and this is the amount, 0.15. This is it. This is the person's wallet address. This is the person's current balance. You see it, the person has 0.9 in the person's wallet, and that is from XOXO. That is what XOXO had contributed to the wallet, and this is it there. And as you see, from this place to 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 this place, I'm sure this person actually got this one here as a result of referral. This person got this one here as a result of referral too. This is a 10% from the level 4 referral. This is 15% from the level 3 referral. This is 25% from the second level referral. You understand that? So that's how it works. XOXO pays. You guys just need to be patient. You need to wait for exactly your slots. You need to wait for your ID on the queue. You just need to be very, very patient. If you want to confirm anybody else, you just come to the auto pool, see the person's slots, know if the person have been paid. The person should be in the green. If the person have been paid, you will surely see that the person have been paid. In order for you to confirm, you can just click on the person's wallet address. This is slot number 50. This is slot number 674. Now if you click on it, if you click on the person's wallet address, you can as well go to the person's Etherscan and check if the person really got paid. Now you go internal transactions. Now look at it, this person even has that fee. Look at this now, the person got paid this amount, 0.15. now if you look at it, the person got paid from this thing to his wallet or her wallet, because I don't know if the person is a male or a female. Look at this, you can just click on this to confirm who sent that money into the person. Now if you look at it, click on contract, you will see that it is XOXO. It is XOXO network. Just look at that. That is XOXO. Please, you just need to be patient. Wait for your ID. I am also waiting for mine. I even guess maybe this person even participated in autopool 2, because this right here actually looks like autopool 2 money. So this person must have waited patiently for his own turn in autopool 2 to also get paid this amount, because look at it, it's the same address, XOXO. Click on this, you see that it's XOXO that pays that person. Contract, you see that it's XOXO. It is XOXO. Let's all just be patient and wait for our respective slots. If you want to confirm if it's your turn on the slot yet, you can as well just come to your auto pools, look at the auto pool you know you participated in, take note of your slot, you can write it down. You can then click on autopool 2. If you are participating in autopool 2 and you've written your slot down, you can just wait for this page to load. If it's not showing you anything, you reload it. If you reload it, see they've paid number 1,318. They must have maybe paid more people, but this thing isn't showing very properly due to my own wallet that I'm using. It's not stable. Look at that now. The person who is currently being paid at the moment is 1,334, but my own slot in autopool 2 is 1,758. Now I need to be patient till they pay everybody who purchased the pool before me. All these people you see here, they purchased the pool before me. Now let's look at this 1,000, this ID, this slot ID 1,333. This is autopool 2. So if you want to confirm if the person has really been paid, you can just click on the person's wallet address. If you click on the person's wallet address, it will take you to the person's Etherscan. You check incoming transaction. Now look at this, 0.1. The person just got paid 0.1, and when the person just got paid 4 minutes ago, XOXO just paid. This is XOXO contract address, and XOXO paid the person his or her 0.1 that the person is expecting from the auto pool. Now as this person gets paid, he will then go back and get a new slot ID to participate in auto pool 2 again. Now let's click on the person's this wallet address in order for you to confirm that it's XOXO, because it says from. Now look at that, you scroll down and click on contract, it will show you nothing but XOXO. It is XOXO network. It's all about love. We love ourselves. If you really understand how XOXO work, and if you are patient with smart contracts, you will understand that XOXO is just everything you need. You don't even need to participate in any other smart contract out there. Seriously, you just need to all be patient. I am waiting for my turn, and that is what I will do. I will not stay and say anything. I know when it gets to my turn, I will surely get paid. So please everybody, that's how it is. In as much as you've purchased the pool, you will surely get exactly what you should get in the pool. Like you've seen, I've shown you all the transactions as it went in on Etherscan for each of the persons. We just need to be patient, that's all. Thank you.